Everyone thinks the best-selling RGB LED light sticks are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Neewer Basic Magnetic Light Wand. Let's kick things off with the Neewer Basic Magnetic Handheld Light Wand, priced at $26.99. Right away, its compact size and magnetic feature caught my eye. If you want portability combined with solid performance, this is worth a serious look. This light stick packs a punch with its 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, offering up to 2 hours of continuous use. The ability to adjust the color temperature from 2500K to 8500K means you can create the perfect mood lighting for any situation, whether you're shooting a TikTok or just need some extra light for a selfie. The 360 degrees RGB range and 20 special effects make it incredibly versatile. Plus, the 120 degrees illumination angle and 800 lux output at 0.5 m give you ample brightness for your needs. Now, some users did mention that the battery life could be frustrating, especially if you're using it at maximum brightness. Here's the thing though, for most casual users, 2 hours is usually enough for quick shoots and vlogs, and you can always charge it in between. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator or just someone who needs reliable, bright lighting on the go. Skip this one if you need something that lasts all day without charging, but for the price, it's a steal. Product number 2, Ulanzi VL19 Handheld Light Wand. Next up, we have the Ulanzi VL19 Handheld Light Wand, priced at $30.99. At first glance, the 114 high-color rendering LED beads drew my attention. If you want a reliable light stick that excels in portability and color accuracy, this one's worth considering. The adjustable color temperature from 2500K to 9000K gives you great flexibility, perfect for different lighting situations. The brightness can reach up to 395 lux at just 0.3 m, which is surprisingly bright for its size. And with a 3300 mAh battery, it lasts nearly 70 minutes at maximum power. Plus, it can be used while charging, which is a lifesaver. But honestly, if you're doing a quick session or don't mind charging it regularly, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you're into portrait or livestream photography and need something lightweight. Skip this if you require a longer battery life for marathon sessions. Overall, it's a solid investment for its capabilities. Product number 3, Govee RGBIC LED Strip Lights. Now let's talk about something a bit different, the Govee RGBIC LED strip lights, priced at just $13.49. I was genuinely surprised by how budget-friendly these lights are while still offering vibrant effects. If you want to add some fun lighting to your space without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. This means you can create stunning effects that traditional RGB strips can't match. With 16 million colors at your fingertips via the Govee Home app, you can set the mood for any occasion. I love the upgraded music sync mode, which makes them dance along to your favorite tunes, perfect for parties. Plus, the installation is a breeze as you just peel and stick. However, some users had issues with the adhesive not sticking well over time. Here's the thing, if you're using them in a low-traffic area, you're golden. But for high-traffic spots, consider using extra mounting tape. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your bedroom or living room ambience. Skip these if you need something more permanent or robust, but for the price, they're hard to beat. Product number 4, Keepsmile RGB LED Corner Floor Lamp. Next up is the Keepsmile Smart RGB LED Corner Floor Lamp, priced at $26.99. This lamp caught my interest with its sleek design and multiple control options. If you're after a stylish addition to your living space that doubles as mood lighting, this one's definitely worth checking out. It can sync with music, which is a fantastic feature for parties or gaming setups. With 16 million colors and multiple modes available through the app, you can customize your lighting experience to fit any mood. Installation is straightforward, and the timing function adds another layer of convenience. One drawback is the potential difficulty in connecting the lamp segments securely, as some users noted issues during setup. But honestly, once it's up and running, It's a fantastic visual experience that's hard to complain about. This is perfect for you if you want to add a stylish yet functional piece to your home decor. Skip this if you're not keen on some assembly or want something immediately usable out of the box. Product number 5, Benrium RGB under cabinet lights. Finally, let's look at the Benrium RGB under cabinet lights priced at $19.99. Right off the bat, I appreciated the thought that went into making these lights colorful instead of just boring white options. If you want to brighten up your kitchen or workspace with some flair, these could be a great fit. With 16 million DIY colors available, these lights can not only serve your ambient lighting needs, but also create a vibrant atmosphere for any situation. The remote and app control options make it so easy to adjust brightness and color. I found the music sync mode particularly fun, as it allows the lights to change with your tunes, creating a little dance party right in your kitchen. A common complaint is that the adhesive can fail over time. Here's the thing though, if you install them correctly and in a less humid area, they work just fine. Just be prepared to reapply them if needed. This is perfect for you if you want to brighten your kitchen or workspace with fun colors. Skip these if you're looking for something more permanent, but for the price, they really add a lot of personality. So there you have it. The Neewer Basic Light Wand shines with portability. The Ulanzi VL19 offers amazing color accuracy. Govee's RGBIC strips bring fun versatility, Keepsmile's floor lamp adds style, and Benrium's under cabinet lights offer vibrant customization. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so pick the one that fits your needs best.